Hi, I'm Kika from Cake Topper Street, and today I will show you how to make an orchid flower bud and assemble a beautiful orchid branch. The flower is made from wafer paper, while only the bud is made from fondant, and this makes the whole decoration lightweight, elegant, and easy to add to your cakes. If you want to learn the complete orchid flower tutorial, join me inside Cake Topper Street classroom on Skool, where you will find this tutorial and many more step-by-step video tutorials. Happy decorating, and let's get started. For the bud, I use a longer number 20 grade flower wire. We need it to stay long enough to support the flowers and create a large, elegant branch. For the bud, I mix green and white fondant to create a pale green shade because later we'll tone using the dust colors. Real orchid buds contain touches of yellow and brown, so a lighter base color works best. Take around 10 grams of fondant and shape it into a smooth teardrop. Create a hook at the top of the wire and lightly moisten it. Insert the wire into the bud, stopping around the middle rather than pushing it all the way through. Carefully smooth the fondant around the wire while maintaining the teardrop shape. Using the sharp end of the Dresden tool, create several deeper grooves. Then add lighter lines between them for texture. For the smaller bud, repeat the same process using a shorter wire and less fondant. Once both buds are complete, wrap the wire using the florist tape exactly as before. Now we can assemble the branch. Attach the smaller bud to the main stem using florist tape. Slightly bend the wire for a more natural shape. Next, we color the buds using brown, yellow, and green dust color. I usually start with the lightest color first. Again, it helps tremendously to look at the real orchid bud references photo and copy the natural look placement. orchid flowers should not sit tightly against the main stem. Real orchid flowers grow slightly outward from the branch, so keep that in mind when positioning them. The smallest flower should sit near the top, gradually becoming larger lower down the branch. Attach each flower individually using florist tape and arrange them in a slightly alternative pattern. Continue adding as many flowers as you like. The wonderful thing about wired wafer paper flower is that you can fully adjust and reposition them until the branch looks exactly how you want. And finally, you have a beautiful, realistic orchid branch that is incredibly lightweight and perfect for decorating cakes. Thank you for watching. I will see you on the next tutorial.